Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today, I think I'll be just running errands. I need to go to Ikea, pick up a few office chairs so that I can have chairs where clients can sit while I do paperwork and whatnot. The other thing I'll be doing is my brother's gonna pick me up from Ikea, and I am going to go to my parents' house and help him finish up his Cayenne. And then me and this lovely lady are probably going to pick up a Mercedes GL450, I think. So, a bunch of errands today. Today is actually a pretty nice day. Kind of seeing blue skies. It's been gloomy and rainy and even snowed a little bit earlier this week, so this is nice. This is nice. Off to Ikea we go. Support our police officers. There it is. Big Ikea. The little one is with us. Ikea's always packed every time. 1,500 bucks. And this is what we need. So honestly, I kind of don't know what style. That was kind of cool for $149 at the end right here. Oh no, it's like a display and it's already ripping at the corner. And no one is sitting in it. Maybe something simple like this. Came to the dining room section. No, I mean honestly guys, 50 bucks for something so cheap. Nothing. Kind of like this style, but not for 170 bucks. There's a few chairs that I like, but not the price. Guys, I kid you not, the only thing I like about Ikea is their food section. Like literally, that's the only thing. And even then, I don't think it's that great. This is pretty cool. Whole bunch of candy, whole bunch of sweets. Their chocolate is good. It's actually fairly priced too. What was the total? $357. There you go. $3, $360. So clearly I didn't get a chair from Ikea because although some of them look pretty good, there's no way I'm paying $150 for an Ikea chair. We see them here locally on like OfferUp and Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace for like more than half off what retail is. So I'd rather do that, find something online, save some money, and not support Ikea.
And you just lost your 2 subscribers.
Woo! What I mean by that is, I've bought a few Ikea furniture pieces. I get super frustrated assembling them. They're just feel so cheap that honestly I'd rather pay $100 extra but get something of quality. So, kinda don't know why I came here, but I did, leaving empty-handed. My Uber ride is here, so now we're going to my parents' house. If we don't get the Cayenne done, what are we doing with this?
Brakes. Well, the passenger side front brake, serpentine belt, and O2 sensor.
You guys heard it here. It's putting me to work today. What year is this thing?
2010.
2010 BMW 335. Really like the interior color. It's a coupe. The one thing I kind of don't like is the bucketed seats. feel fat in these. Yeah.
Bolstered up for Andy.
Honestly, what a shame. Nice C63, but it's dumped. Don't do that to your car. Like, dumped it hardcore. And the one thing I don't understand is when people lower a car, like really lower it, and then keep the stock wheels on it. It doesn't look good. It looks like your suspension broke. I don't know why. In my mind, it doesn't make sense. But that's a nice C63 regardless. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the windy Chowdale. Boy, do I not miss this city. Here is the Cayenne that we need to get finished up. And we already did quite a bit of work. Replaced the whole core support, put in the headlights, the intakes, the ducts and whatnot, the brackets here. So literally the only thing we need to do is connect all the sensors and put on the front bumper. And this car should be done. And if it's done, then this is what we're taking home. I mean, Andre's car, but that's what he's taking home. And this is the Cayenne S, I believe. 4.8 V8. Big boy motor. Look at this gangsta. Got rims for a Cayenne that doesn't even run yet.
This thing goes around this metal piece right here. Then after that goes in, we push this in, and that keeps the reinforcement bar connected to the radiator so the radiator doesn't bounce.
Okay. Alright, let's get it done. So Cayennes are super tricky. And this darn bracket is a real pain. It has to go from both sides, and you have to push the radiator further in towards the front, and then this bracket has to have enough gap for the other bracket to hold the radiator mounting bracket. A lot of stuff. Welcome to Volkswagen world. That's right, you think you're driving a Porsche? I got some bad news for you. You're driving a Volkswagen. And you got gypped for like 40 grand. Update time for you guys. Getting close to being done. These are the little headlight washer squirters things for the water. These are new. This is what happened to the old one. Connected the horns, got the air connected, the air vents. The radiator stuff is connected. Honestly, feel like final touches, and it should be done very soon. Look at this thing. So it's almost done. I told them, hey, before we put the bumper on, we should check if all those lights work. So this one works. This one doesn't work. None of the turn signals work. Either leaked oil somewhere, but that's oil burning off, and I hear, I mean, that's a pretty loud tick. And it's definitely misfiring a little bit. Noah, do you like this car? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. This car has been parked for about 8 months. And we took it around the neighborhood, like once or twice, right, when you got it?
I took it to the DMV as well.
Oh, DMV, yep. So, to get it titled. And it ran fine. There was no oil or anything. So, very surprised that this is happening, and the engine did not sound like this. But it goes to show you, when you leave a German car parked for so darn long, things will come up. And miles are super low on it. Look at that, 55,500. So, not sure what's going on with it. Yeah, that startup don't sound too healthy. Andre says we're done. because once you put this bumper on, replacing a bulb on this is going to be very difficult. You either have to remove all of this plastic stuff. I mean, bumper's off, might as well pull the headlight out and replace the bulb, make sure everything works. We are almost home. I don't know, we got stuff done, but maybe definitely not as much as we wanted to. Wife is making food, and honestly, I don't know if we're gonna continue after we eat, because, but yeah, I guess we'll see. Someone went off-roading. As you guys can see, clearly ate and decided to continue. Brought the Jag, and although I didn't find chairs at Ikea, she found some at Marshall's. Not bad, not bad. They twirl and whirl. Have a seat. You ready to buy a car?
No.
Ah! Guys, but on a real note, if she won't buy a car from me, what does that say?
It says that you'll always get me a car anyways.
Ah, she wants the 5-finger discount, a free car. Still need to come back and pressure wash all of this. You see it, all that green? I just need to drop this off so that the second monitor actually works. We'll just leave it like this for now. Bye office, let's go get the GL. Going through the last few twisties before Andy's house. And I have not seen this GL, so I don't know what it is and what it even looks like. There it is. Looks like it's a gold color. Yeah, parking sensors in the front. There we go. Set battery should be good. Look at that. 120,000 miles. I don't need to remove the key. I'm trying to start the car. Okay. Auto. Yes. High beams on. No good. Don't need that. Bam! As always, I need gas. Let's see if I remember how Mercedes did it. Now, trying to, oh, this should be it. No phone. I don't know how much gas I have left. No idea. We should be able to make it. I have made it to the gas station. I put 20 bucks in this car. I was slightly worried. I didn't know if I was gonna make it or not, because I picked up a car once from Andy, a BMW, and it was literally cutting out on my way to the gas station. And Andy kind of lives, I want to say, in the middle of nowhere, and the closest gas station is like 2-3 miles away. And this BMW was literally cutting out. I like push the throttle 20-30% and nothing happens, and then it kicks in and goes. And I called him, I was like, dude, get ready to save me. But somehow I made it to the gas station, filled it up. So yeah, plus I couldn't figure out where it shows how much gas is in this tank. I didn't know if I was gonna make it or not. But this will be it for the nighttime. Tomorrow morning I'm going to photograph this car, and I will show you guys what it looks like, because I saw it briefly in the dark, so kind of defeats the purpose of the video, doesn't it? So tomorrow morning I will show you guys what this car looks like, and we're gonna wrap up the video. Just kind of realized that not every city has a bridge this long, and you know, in its own right, it is beautiful. It's like 1.5 miles, yeah, roughly 1.5 miles long. And it starts at the lower end in Oregon and enters Washington at a higher elevation. Here it is, the I-205 bridge for you guys. Good morning to you guys. Still sleepy, but this is the GL450 4MATIC. Unfortunately, no bi-xenon headlights, but it does have parking sensors, front and rear. It has heated seats, front and rear. It has hill descent control. Has the entertainment package here for the rear occupants. 2 moonroofs. I don't know if the rear one is called a moonroof. And 3rd row seating. But I mean, it's a really nice SUV. And I drove it, what, 25 miles yesterday. Really smooth, it shifts great, has good power, although I don't think I pushed it more than like 20%. I mean, there's just no need, but you can tell that this thing mechanically works top notch. So it's going up for sale today. Guys, thank you for joining, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.